The United States and Canada share a strong and unique trade relationship when it comes to automotive manufacturing and trade. Thanks to the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA for short, imports from the United States into Canada involving automotive production parts have grown to over $15 billion in 2022 alone. Because of this unique trade relationship, Canada Border Services Agency, CBSA for short, allows special clearances for qualified automotive goods destined for the Ford Motor Company, General Motors, and Stellantis. In many cases, these goods can get an expedited import clearance under the Customs Self-Assessment Program, or CSA for short. However, not all carriers are CSA approved, so in those instances, the best course of action for expedited clearance of auto parts would be to process the shipment as an A49 Automotive Release. In this Cross-Border 101 video, we'll explore what an A49 Automotive Release is, its significance in the context of importing automotive goods into Canada, the cross-border requirements, and the importance of ACI Electronic Manifest. The birth of an A49 Automotive Report and Release began with the Motor Vehicle Tariff Order of 1988, where customs duties on motor vehicles and parts under an agreement with the United States began. This tariff order established the definition of what automotive production goods were, as well as what automotive service goods were in relation to trade with the United States. It also provided the definition of goods that would be exempt from specific duties and taxes. In 1996, under a Canada Border Services Agency memorandum, these exempt automotive goods were updated to include automotive release and accounting procedures based on the Advanced Shipping Notification System, or internally recognized as the ASN system. The ASN system was implemented as part of CBSA's New Business Relationship Initiative, as part of the joint implementation between CBSA and the automotive sector in Canada. The ASN system was designed to improve reporting and release processes for production and service goods by automotive manufacturers. It linked manufacturers' internal shipping notification information with carrier shipment reporting, helping to streamline the importation of automotive goods into Canada. Previously, highway carriers would have to fill out a cargo control document for these goods and would require a customs broker. But under this new procedure, automotive goods could now be imported into Canada with what's called an A49 Automotive Report and Release document, or an A49 Automotive Release for short. This document must be filled out and provided to the officer upon arriving at the first Canadian port of entry. The A49 Automotive Release provides key details about the cargo and highway carrier, such as the consignee name and address, the carrier name, U.S. port of exit, country of origin, release office, carrier code, master bill of lading, as well as specific commodity descriptions for the type of automotive goods being imported into Canada. It's important to note that only specific types of automotive goods and service goods can qualify under an A49. For example, this form can only be used for auto production parts and service goods such as auto body parts, chassis components, brake parts, body stampings, and other production parts. It cannot be used when importing machinery, equipment, prototype parts, empty racks, or other miscellaneous goods such as gloves, tools, blueprints, or computers, for example. For a full list of qualified goods, you can visit CBSA's website on A49 requirements. The link will be provided in the description below. A link to download an A49 Automotive Release form, as well as detailed instructions, will also be provided in the description below. Another important requirement when importing an A49 Automotive Release is that an ACI Electronic Manifest will also need to be filed with CBSA. To learn how to process an ACI e-manifest with an A49 Automotive Release using Border Connect, click the link at the top of the video now or in the description below. In closing, an A49 Automotive Release is vital for smooth cross-border shipping of automotive goods from the United States into Canada. Understanding its importance and using ACI Electronic Manifest is crucial for compliance and efficiency. This ensures seamless customs clearance and timely delivery into Canada. Happy trucking!
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to Border Connect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.